This season's Take and Make for Teens is a DIY keychain or cell phone charm. So you'll get an assortment of mini beads, some polymer clay beads, as well as some letter beads that spell something, but it's up to you to figure out what they spell. So mine spell sleigh. You'll also get some elastic string, as well as an optional keychain hook if you'd like to make yours into a keychain. So the first step is to take your string and fold it in half, and then you're going to make a loop at the top of the string where it's folded by knotting it around itself. You want the loop to be about 1 inch or 1.5 inches long. Here I actually made it a little too long, but you can see I knotted it really tightly, and now I have 2 ends of string to work with, and I'm going to string beads onto both strings. So depending on how long you want your charm to be, I put about half of my beads on both strings. So this is what it looks like now that I've strung on all of my beads onto the 2 strings, and now I'm going to tie 2 knots very tightly to bring it all together. And then after tying it very tightly, I'm going to cut off any excess string. And then I tuck the knot into one of the beads to hide it. So I didn't have a cell phone case to demonstrate with here, but I wanted to show you how to attach your cell phone charm to your phone case, and I'm using the lobster claw actually as an example. So what you want to do is take the loop at the end of your charm and tuck it into the hole of your case where your volume button is, and then you want to pull the charm all the way through so that it attaches to your phone and hangs off.